Good morning to all. I am Kritika, studying 12th standard in Government Model Girls Higher Secondary School, Manachanallur. I am very glad to welcome to you all the 6th Remember Day for our late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I'm, I should stand before you all delivered speech about the great scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam full name was Abul Pakir Jainulobbin Abdul Kalam. He was born into a very poor family in Rameshwaram on October 15, 1931. Kalam had been selling newspaper to support the income of his family. In 1916, he studied aeronautical engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. His dream as a child was to become a pilot. After graduation, he entered the DRNO as a scientist. In 1969, he joined the Organization of India Space Research. Kalam sir served as the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle 3 project director, PSLV 3. His expanded the space science made him known as the Missile Man of India. He was 11th President of India on July 27, 2015. He took his last breath. India 2020. The vision of the new Millennium, a book written by the 11th President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam and Y.S. Rajan. The book was written by the due in the year 1998 before Kalam tenured as the president. It talks about the Kalam ideas for India's future and for developing India. In this book, India 2020, Kalam strongly advocated an action plan to develop India into a strong nation by the year 2020. He regards the nation as a knowledge, superpower and developed nation. The book describes the present and future serenading in the India and developed countries. In compares the variation statistical data and explain how can improve in it. Kalam explained the importance of science and technology for the development of India. In chapter 1 of the book, the author stressed the importance of their vision from India, using nations like USA, China, Malaysia and Israel as three examples. However, they also point out that his vision should be a original rather than imitating another nation. In the book Kalam had also said it should be the dream of the all citizens to see the India as a development country. A national where rural urban divided the reduced to thin line, all the part of India will become a developed. A nation where there is a equitable distribution of India inquires access to energy and equality water. A nation where agriculture institute and the select what to with the symbol. A nation where education with a good value system in not needed to any can or economic discrimination. A national which is the best for the most talented scholar and scientists and interviews from around the world. A nation that is one of the best place to live in and is a pride of its leadership.